Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. BeautifulSoup is a Python library used for web scraping HTML and XML files. Often, after scraping data using BeautifulSoup, you might want to store the parsed content in a data frame for further analysis or manipulation. Storing the BeautifulSoup object into a data frame as a single string can be achieved using Pandas, a popular data manipulation library in Python. Here is a step-by-step tutorial explaining how to store a BeautifulSoup object into a data frame as one single string. Make sure you have the necessary libraries installed. You can install them using pip if you haven't already. For demonstration purposes, let's create a simple BeautifulSoup object by parsing an HTML snippet. You may already have your own code to scrape HTML content using BeautifulSoup. You can convert the BeautifulSoup object to a string using the str function. Now, let's create a Pandas data frame and store the BeautifulSoup object's string representation in it. Finally, display the data frame to verify that the BeautifulSoup object's string is stored correctly. This will output a data frame with the BeautifulSoup object's string stored in the content column. This example demonstrates how to store a BeautifulSoup object as a single string in a Pandas data frame. You can replace the HTML_content variable with your actual scraped content to apply this method to your own web scraping projects. ChatGPT